Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Silver Star Train 91 en route to Miami with intermediate stops at Newark, Trenton, Philadelphia, Wilmington, Baltimore, Washington, Alexandria, Richmond, Staples Mill, Petersburg, Rocky Mount, Raleigh, Cary, Southern Pines, Hamlet, Camden, Columbia, Denmark, Savannah, Jacksonville, Palatka, DeLand, Winter Park, Orlando, Kissimmee, Tampa, Lakeland, Winter Haven, Sebring, Okeechobee, West Palm Beach, Delray Beach, Deerfield Beach, Fort Lauderdale, and Hollywood. Passengers should proceed to track 16 west.